Hello everyone, a very good morning to you all. Welcome back to today's physical education class. So today I am going to discuss about the guideline project work of class 12. Okay, so students, how to make project file in physical education. So let's discuss. On the first page is cover page. So students, in this cover page you must have to write your school name, your name, class, division, subject and roll number. Okay, so that is on your first cover page on your project file. Okay, now move to second page. So in this page is index page or context page. So student, in this page, that means in this index page or context page, first you have make column, and your left side of the column you have to write serial number, then middle of the column you have to write topic name, and right side of the column you have to write page number, just like this. Okay, so in this page you have to write serial number, that means number 1, and the topic name is acknowledgement, and right side of the column you have to write page number. Next, serial number 2, the topic is introduction part, and the right side of the column here the page number. Okay, next, serial number 3, the topic is purpose, and right side of the column page number. Next, serial number 4, equipment required, and right side of the column page number. Students, thus up to serial number 8 has to be done like this way. Okay, now students, come to first serial number, that is acknowledgement part. So in this acknowledgement part, a page of acknowledgement is usually included at the beginning of a project file. Okay, and acknowledgement enable you to thank all those who have helped in carrying out the project file. Okay, next, serial number 2 is introduction part. So in this introduction part you have to write the basic concept of topic related points. Okay, next, serial number 3 is purpose. So in this purpose part you have to write the aim of this test is to determine acceleration and speed. That means in 50-meter standing start position, the aim of this test is to determine acceleration and speed. A thorough warm-up should be given, including some practice start and accelerations. So start from a stationary standing position, so hands cannot touch the ground, with one foot in front of the other, and the front foot must be behind the starting line. So in these things you have to write in your purpose part, that means serial number 3. Okay, next, serial number 4 is equipment required part. So in this part there are some things that are very important in this event that need to be right in this equipment part. Okay, for example of 50-meter standing start, equipment required are, first one is measuring tape or mark track. Next, number 2, stopwatch. Next, number 3, cone markers. And number 4 is flat and clear surface of at least 70 meters. Okay, so all are the equipment required in 50-meter standing start. Okay, and the next, serial number 5 is procedure. Procedure is order of the steps to be taken to make something happen. For an example of a procedure in 50-meter standing start, in the test involves running a single maximum sprint over 50 meters with the time record. A thorough warm-up should be given, including some practice starts and acceleration. Start from a stationary standing position and hands cannot touch the ground with one foot in front of the other. That is the procedure of 50-meter standing starting position. Okay, students, you have to write these things in your procedure part. Okay, next, serial number 6 is advantages. In advantages part, you have to write particular situation in order to get an opportunity for yourself. Okay, and the next serial number 7 is conclusion part. So in this part, here you have to write the importance of this project or knowledge of this project. Okay, and the last serial number 8 is bibliography. In this bibliography part, you have to write where did you collect the content of this project file. Okay, students, these are the few points that you have to keep it in your mind, that you should cover all these points in your project file. Okay, now students, I am suggesting you to make your project file more creative and colorful and nicely. Okay, so you take your time and finish your project comfortably within your summer holidays. Okay, so students, I hope you all are understand this project. So that's enough for today. Thank you students. Have a great day.